Now, watch me very carefully. I will be bending this spoon right in front of your eyes. See the magic. What are you watching? Do you think any magic is going to happen? Do you think this spoon will actually bend? Did you really think that I was going to create a magic and bend that spoon right in front of your eyes? People, you need to snap out of your false beliefs. You need to completely come out of your irrational beliefs and notions, which is restricting your emotional, mental strength, and which is restricting, limiting your wise mind. Remove any anchors which is pulling your mind back and which is preventing your mind to move forward. Now, unfortunately and sadly, there are many people who rely on irrational, unreal, false, pessimistic beliefs, that is in order to achieve solutions for their life's problems. Now, in reality, there is no such magic. There are no magic. No magic is going to create success for you. No magic will provide solutions to your life's problems. There is no one who can just use a magic wand and eradicate your life's problems and worries. There is no one who can just with the snap of their finger eliminate your problems and create solutions for you. Now, if in case there is any such person who is advertising themselves as such, please do not go to them. You should never seek solutions and guidance from such people. They will play with your mind, and there are very good chances that you will be highly disempowered and your mind might get extremely and highly negative, weak and vulnerable. Always remember, the only person who has all the answers for your problems, questions, worries, queries is only and only you. Have faith in yourself. Believe in yourself. Have trust in your abilities and strengths. Have trust in yourself. Rather than depending or waiting for a magician to come into your life and give you solutions. Life is not a Harry Potter movie. You can always and definitely seek support and guidance from optimistic people, people who are reliable, people who are positive, trustworthy, genuine people. Such people will enhance your positivity. Such optimistic people will empower you. Such people will enable you to be emotionally, mentally strong. Now, such kind of people can either be leaders, gurus, professionals in the area and field of spirituality, psychology, or any other areas related to your emotional and mental health. They can be counselors, they can be coaches, they can be guides, they can be mentors, they can be trainers, etc. Always surround yourself with positive, optimistic, trustworthy, genuine, reliable, good and honest and ethical people who will bring out the best in you. And always have complete faith and belief in God. So my name is Aniket. I am the creator and founder of Living Virtuously. If you want to take consultations and counselings for your emotional and mental health, you can definitely contact me via my website, LinkedIn or Facebook. I wish you all the very best. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay mentally wise, stay emotionally, mentally fantastic, and please develop and have a strong belief system. Take care.